Hello and welcome to the wild, wonderful, and often confusing world of cryptocurrency. Today we're going to delve into the granddaddy of them all, Bitcoin. Bitcoin emerged in 2009, a mysterious creation by the enigmatic Satoshi Nakamoto. Now, Satoshi could be a person, a group of people, or even a very tech-savvy houseplant, we just don't know. What we do know is that Bitcoin changed the game. It introduced the world to the concept of a decentralized digital currency. This means no banks, no governments, just pure, unadulterated digital cash. It's like the Wild West out here, except instead of tumbleweeds and saloons, we have blockchain and cryptography. So buckle up, because things are about to get interesting. So what exactly is Bitcoin? In the simplest terms, it's like digital gold. You can't touch it, but it has value because people agree it has value. It's also scarce, like gold, with a limited supply of 21 million bitcoins ever to be created. Bitcoin operates on a global network of computers. These computers talk to each other and keep track of all the Bitcoin transactions. It's like a giant digital ledger that anyone can see. You can buy things with Bitcoin, but it's also seen as an investment. Some people buy and hold Bitcoin, hoping its value will go up in the future. However, just like the Wild West, investing in Bitcoin can be risky. Its value can be volatile, going up and down like a rodeo bull. One of the key concepts behind Bitcoin is decentralization. This means it's not controlled by any single entity, like a bank or government. Instead, it's powered by a distributed network of computers around the world. Think of it like a swarm of bees. Each bee operates independently, but together they form a hive that functions as a whole. In the same way, each computer on the Bitcoin network works independently to validate transactions and maintain the integrity of the system. This decentralized nature gives Bitcoin several advantages. First, it makes it resistant to censorship. No single entity can shut down the network or prevent transactions from taking place. Second, it makes it more secure. With no central point of control, it's much harder for hackers to compromise the system. This distributed security is one of the reasons why Bitcoin has become so popular. Now let's talk about how Bitcoin transactions actually work. When you send Bitcoin to someone, the transaction is broadcast to the network of computers. These computers, known as miners, verify the transaction and add it to a block. Each block contains a record of multiple transactions, like a page in a ledger. These blocks are then linked together in chronological order, forming a chain of blocks, hence the term blockchain. The blockchain is like a public record of every Bitcoin transaction ever made. Once a transaction is added to the blockchain, it's permanent and irreversible. This ensures the integrity and transparency of the system. Section 5. Mining. Bitcoin, the engine of the network. We've mentioned miners a few times now, but who are these mysterious digital prospectors? Miners are responsible for verifying and adding transactions to the blockchain. They do this by solving complex mathematical problems. Think of it like a giant Sudoku puzzle. The first miner to solve the puzzle gets to add the next block to the blockchain. As a reward for their efforts, they receive newly created Bitcoin. This process is known as proof of work, and it's what keeps the Bitcoin network secure and running smoothly. Miners are incentivized to act honestly because they have a financial stake in the system. However, mining Bitcoin requires a lot of computing power, which consumes a significant amount of energy. This has led to concerns about the environmental impact of Bitcoin. Section 6. Crypto Jargon Simplified, your guide to the lingo. Now, let's take a break from the... Section 7. The rise of crypto, a market on the move. Bitcoin's success has spawned a whole new asset class, cryptocurrencies. There are now thousands of cryptocurrencies out there, each with its own unique features and use cases. The crypto market is still relatively young and volatile, but it has grown tremendously in recent years. At its peak, the total market capitalization of all cryptocurrencies surpassed $3 trillion. This explosive growth has attracted both excitement and skepticism. Some see cryptocurrencies as the future of finance, while others view them as a speculative bubble. Only time will tell what the future holds for cryptocurrencies, but one thing is for sure, they're not going away anytime soon. Section 8. Bitcoin versus Forex, comparing the titans. Now let's compare the crypto market to a more established financial market, Forex. The Forex market is where currencies are traded against each other. It's the largest and most liquid financial market in the world, with trillions of dollars changing hands every day. So, how does the crypto market stack up? While the crypto market has grown significantly, it's still dwarfed by the Forex market in terms of size and trading volume. However, the crypto market is open 24/7, while the Forex market has limited trading hours. Crypto trading also offers the potential for higher returns, but it comes with higher risks. Ultimately, the best market for you depends on your individual investment goals and risk tolerance. Section 9. Conclusion: Embracing the future of finance. So, there you have it, a crash course in Bitcoin and the world of cryptocurrency. We've covered a lot of ground today, from the basics of Bitcoin to the rise of the crypto market. While the world of crypto can seem daunting at first, it's an exciting and rapidly evolving space. Understanding Bitcoin is essential for navigating the broader crypto market. It's like learning the alphabet before you can read a book. So keep learning, stay curious, and who knows, maybe you'll be the next Bitcoin billionaire.